The revolutionary performance and design of the S1. We've built a completely new operating system for our scooter, the Move OS. We wanted to shatter the boring and non-personalized and frankly non-existent experiences in today's scooters. And we've done it by introducing not just one, but multiple leapfrog technologies.
Move OS comes to life on a gorgeous 7-inch touchscreen display. It's the sharpest, brightest touchscreen display ever put in a scooter. Underneath the display is one of the most powerful vehicle computers, designed and engineered by Ola in India. It's powered by an octa-core processor, 3 GB RAM, and a high-speed connectivity through 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth.
Now I'm going to show you something really cool that we've built. So watch me closely here.
Hi, Bhavish. Bye, Bhavish.
So you see, this scooter senses when I come closer and it unlocks itself. And when I walk away, it senses that I walked away and it locks itself. So this vehicle actually comes without any keys. This is the way the scooter locks and unlocks. You can either do this or use your app or use the screen of the scooter to lock it and unlock it. Now let's talk a little bit about our riding experience. For decades, every scooter showed you the same boring information in the same static cluster, regardless of your tastes and passions. For decades, every scooter sounds the same boring thump-thump of a weak petrol engine. Well, today, no more. Today, we are introducing Moods. Now, Moods radically changes the entire ride experience, including the look, feel, and even how your scooter sounds. So let me actually show you some of my favorites here. This is Bolt, pure adrenaline. We've designed it for those who love speed. It puts the speed and power right at the center. This is Care. The tree of your choice will grow as much as the carbon dioxide you're saving every day by riding the S1. Let's go old school now. This is Vintage. Inspired from the heritage of the finest craftsmanship, this is how the S1 would have looked in the 50s. Cutting to the future, this is Wonder. A pure sci-fi experience with the sound to match. Yes, your scooter will now sound just the way you like. Or go completely silent if that's more your vibe. With inspiration from nature and classical Indian instruments like the tanpura. Gone will be the days of noisy roads to be replaced with harmonious ones. And these are just my favorite moods. I can't wait for you to discover your favorite ones and customize it to your exact tastes. Let me show you how. This is your dash, preloaded with all your favorite information. For me, it's my riding playlist and the traffic in the area. But if I change my mind and want to know about today's weather, it's just a swipe away. Or vehicle performance information. The choices of widgets are endless, and each mood has a unique design for each widget, making your dash infinitely customizable. Flashes load instantly to give you access to most used features like navigation and music. With fully native maps that provide real-time traffic information and turn-by-turn instructions, Ola S1 provides the best navigation experience on any vehicle. So you never need to strap a phone to your scooter's dashboard again. And all of this works even if you're offline. We know scooters are a family vehicle. And now every member of your family gets their own profile. And so can your best friend and guests, or even valets. Profiles are packed with powerful features that ensure safety of all your family members. From live location tracking to remote battery and health alerts, the Ola Electric app keeps you updated about your scooter. In case you ever need to service your S1, the app allows you to seamlessly make an appointment for your at-home service. The app also allows you to control all essential functions like locking and unlocking your scooter with just a tap. That's not the only way to control your Ola S1. Powered by a multi-microphone array and AI speech recognition algorithms that we've built in-house, The Ola scooter can be controlled with your voice. Just say, "Hey Ola, play some music." Increase the volume. You know, that's one of my favorite songs. And it sounds even better coming from the Ola scooter built-in speakers. Yes, the Ola scooter comes with built-in speakers, so you can take the party on the road. Oh, and you can take calls with a tap on the control pad or with your voice. Let's take this one. "Hey Ola, accept the call." Raftar, what's up, man? I was just listening to your song on the Ola scooter.
Mere bhai, your scooter is just insane. And I have been riding it all day. Man, there are just so many features I love. और अपना एक्सपीरियंस ना मैं अपने तरीके से ही बताता हूँ. यार आज सबसे बड़ी गलतफहमी दूर हो गई कि स्कूटर पे ना वाइब नहीं आती. I thought भागेगी नहीं, but this one runs like a beast, man. And ऊपर से इलेक्ट्रिक, कोई शोर नहीं है. मतलब आराम से मैं गाने सुनता हुआ आ रहा था और इसके अंदर स्पीकर भी थे. तो मजा आ रहा था. सड़कों पे पार्टी चल रही थी और मुझे लगा कितनी चलती होगी, तो बहुत भगाई. सारी टेस्ट ड्राइव ले लिया, सब करके देख लिया इसके साथ. और बूट स्पेस भी बहुत है. 2 हेलमेट आ जाते हैं, एक तुम्हारा एक तुम्हारी बंदी का. जीवन सफल है भाई. और सबसे गजब फीचर, इसमें क्रूज कंट्रोल है भाई. मतलब 4 पहियों वाला मजा 2 पहियों में. And now the display is so big, you will get maps and everything, man. I think this is something that every college-going guy, every girl, everybody in every field is going to love. Stress-free, silent, Ola Electric. Maza aa gaya.
So that is the Ola S1. Let's now do a quick recap. The S1 has the best design, 10 stunning colors, iconic headlamps, and a large boot space for 2 helmets. It has the best performance in its category, 0 to 40 in just 3 seconds, a top speed of 115 kilometers per hour, and a range of 181 kilometers on a single charge. It has the best technology, proximity unlock, moods, personalized vehicle sounds, voice controls, and many, many more such amazing, incredible, and even magical features. The S1, quite simply, is actually the best scooter ever built. Our scooter comes in 2 variants, the S1 and the S1 Pro.
The S1, with its 121 kilometer range and 90 kilometer per hour top speed, sets the industry benchmark. And the S1 Pro takes it even further, with 181 kilometers of range and a mind-blowing top speed of 115 kilometers per hour.
You've all been asking me, kitne ka hai aur kab milega? With a beautiful design, the most powerful motor, the most advanced vehicle computer, incredible range, next-gen digital tech, proximity unlock, Move OS, moods, custom sounds, profiles, and just so much more. The S1 is truly a revolution. And a revolutionary product deserves a revolutionary price. So kitne ka hai? The S1 comes for just 99,999 and the S1 Pro for 129,999. And we have some great EMI options for you too.
With state subsidies, the S1 and the S1 Pro become even more affordable. In Delhi, with the state subsidies adjusted, the S1 is just 85,099 rupees and the S1 Pro is just 110,149 rupees, making them more affordable than most petrol scooters. In Gujarat, it's even better with S1 at 79,999 and S1 Pro at just 109,999 respectively. Those of you who have reserved can purchase starting September 8th and we'll start deliveries in October.
And if you haven't already, head over to olaelectric.com and reserve your favorite color and variant today so that we can bring you the scooter as soon as possible. Climate change is real and we will all have to be the change we want to see. The future is going to be electric. And I hope that our investments in the Future Factory and the revolutionary product we announced today will encourage all of you consumers and industry to reject petrol and truly commit to electric. But this moment here today is about much more than climate change. Our Prime Minister has laid out an inspiring vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. The 21st century is up for grabs, and we are competing with many, many countries to lead the next century. And for too long, we've been the fifth largest car market, the fifth largest renewable market, or the second largest innovation destination. But now it's time for India to be number one. It's time for India to lead the world in electrification and build the technologies of the future here in India for the entire world. Today, we are announcing Mission Electric with the goal that after 2025, no more petrol two-wheelers will be sold in India. This is a call to consumers and to industry to truly commit to electric. Doing this is certainly not going to be easy, but I believe that together we can and we must. The climate needs it, the world wants it, and our country definitely deserves it. Jai Hind.